What you can do, you do for blood, right?
You and I are blood.
That's funny.
Black Lightning continues to fight for the city of Freeland, which is suffering from a full-scale invasion from Markovian forces.
Recon the city to locate Freeland's metas.
No longer our problem, we're pulling out of Freeland. Commander, leave nothing classified behind. I want total closure.
Yes, sir.
I'm in command here. And the first thing you need to understand is I'm not your enemy.
You could have fooled me with the whole kidnapping and invasion thing.
Actions made necessary by the continuing treachery of the U.S. government.
Control myself, someone said some help, reassuring, just it was. Curse comes a big bad wolf, someone's getting hurt, and this is a bulletproof fighter, how you win.
Wait a minute. You're gonna nuke Freeland if the Markovians take it. And I just became a loose end.
TC!
What's wrong with him?
Probably ASA countermeasures. We were trying to trace Odell.
Well, the ASA had him in a pod. Best believe Odell knows how to deal with his powers.
Get off my block!
I'm not a damn meta. I'm a soldier.
Ever hear the rope-a-dope? Yeah, the dope.
Get it.
Drop him.
Don't let our friend. You ain't too tough without those extra powers. Khalil!
I shot him through the spleen. Don't need it anyway.
TC!
She needs to be someplace where she can have constant care. And we can pray.
You ain't nothing but a snitch. Just like you. Well, my brother, looks like it's time for me to pack my bags.
To giving men syphilis at Tuskegee, and now 2 decades of illegal human experimentation to create metahumans.